Artificial intelligence, it's no longer just a trend. It is becoming a core part of how our society works and will shape the coming decades. AI is changing every part of life, from the way we work and run business to how we govern and understand ourselves. To see where AI is heading, we first need to understand what it is and where it stands today. At its core, AI is made up of computer systems that can perceive, reason, learn, and make decisions. These systems work on their own to support people in complex tasks. Today, machine learning is the main approach, with deep learning models driving advances in areas like image recognition, language translation, and planning. Reinforcement learning powers agents that act in a changing environment, while symbolic AI is used for logic-heavy tasks. AI is now everywhere in daily life and business. More than 80% of corporate IT systems use AI-powered tools, and most digital consumer interfaces are built on AI. We no longer are just experimenting with it. AI is fully integrated and operating at scale. AI is already making a big impact in healthcare, finance, education. In healthcare, deep learning models are used in radiology, which can diagnose with high accuracy, sometimes better than human doctors. AI also helps create personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI systems manage investments, detect fraud in real time. In education, AI platforms adapt lessons to teach students' needs, helping them to learn faster and remember more. Many countries are using AI tools in their national education systems. Modern AI is built on large foundation models, neural networks trained on huge amounts of text, images, and other data. These models can perform many tasks with little or no extra training. By 2025, most enterprise applications have been using foundation models. A major shift is happening toward autonomous agents, AI systems that can set goals, take actions, and learn from their environment. These agents are already being used in coding, scientific research, and planning. Looking further ahead, by 2030 to 2050, AI will advance from automating tasks to automating thinking itself. AI will be able to handle complex decision making, long term planning, and reasoning about uncertainty. As AI systems become more advanced, questions will arise about their role in society and what rights they have. AI is expected to become the backbone of civilization, optimizing everything from transportation and resource management to governance and even space exploration. Instead of a one-size-fits-all model, we will see systems designed for specific industries and tasks, which will improve performance and make results easier to understand. AI will also become multimodal, meaning it will handle vision, text, speech, voice, um, making interactions with technology feel more natural. There will also be a shift from cloud computing to AI running on local devices like phones, wearables, and drones, allowing for private, real-time, and energy-efficient experiences. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, is the goal, building machines that can perform any intellectual task a human can. AGI will be able to reason, plan, and learn across many domains. Researchers are exploring different approaches, but there are still big technical and safety challenges. Experts predict a 50% chance of AGI arriving between 2040 and 2060, but there is a lot of uncertainty. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, represents a frontier of AI research, the pursuit of machines capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can. Unlike narrow AI, which excels at specific tasks, AGI entails flexible, adaptive cognition across diverse domains, including abstract reasoning, planning, and learning from minimal data. Researchers are pursuing multiple theoretical paths to AGI. These range from recursively self-improving agents that refine their own code, to hybrid models combining neural networks with symbolic logic to full-brain emulations. Each approach presents technical challenges, particularly in memory, generalization, and goal stability. Forecasts vary. The median consensus from surveys like those by AI Impacts and Meticulous suggest a 50% chance of AGI between 2040 and 2060. However, predictions are deeply uncertain due to alignment, safety, and epistemological hurdles. AGI is no longer a question of if, but how safely and under whose control. One of the biggest questions is whether AI will replace human workers or work alongside them. The evidence so far suggests that AI is more likely to augment human abilities, creating teams where people and machines work together and achieve higher results. However, some jobs that are routine and predictable are at risk of being automated. Studies suggest that up to 40% of those roles could disappear by 2035. Still, the most promising future is one where humans and AI learn from each other and build in partnership. Building trust and making sure AI aligns with human values is crucial as we move forward.